Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see take a multiple photos in iPhone. iPhone is hidden features available. No one knows how to use this one and take a multiple photos at a time. And after that, you decide which photo is perfect. So how to do it? We will see detailed demonstration in mobile screen. So look at this is my camera is activated. If I drag here this side, so video is recording. If I go this side, so look at this, the multiple pictures is capturing, starting on going like 55 8 this. You can stop here, and after that you can very easily decide how many pictures you capture for this particular object. So look at this, here I capture here 78 pictures, and after that I can decide which picture is perfect accordingly our expectation nusar, our expectations. So this is a perfect picture, so I just simply select this one, done, and keep everything or keep only this favorite. So I just simply favorite, and remaining photos is automatically delete. So you can try this one and captures. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.